Electric food steamers are a must-have for those wishing for a minimal cooking appliance and a clean eating experience. Whether it be vegetables, fish, or meat, food steamers allow you to prepare various delicious foods. We consider quality, features, and value when narrowing down the best choices possible and bring you our top 5 electric food steamers for your kitchen. Number 5. Nesco ST25F Food Steamer. This durable 5-quart capacity steamer is built for its ease of use. The steamer base itself is made of beautiful stainless steel. This model offers 2 bowls to cook separate meals, taking 15 to 50 minutes depending on the food. The front timer is 1 large dial, allowing beginners to dive right in with confidence. The 2 bowls used for cooking are made of break-resistant plastic and are even dishwasher safe. You don't have to worry about overheating because luckily this steamer automatically shuts off once the water is empty. This is perfect for beginners looking to get started. Number 4. Bella 7.4-quart 2-tier food steamer. The first feature you notice about the steamer is the huge 7.4-quart 2-tier container system, great for full meals. This Bella steamer comes with a rice and grains tray, along with a visible meter for measuring the water. This gives you a stress-free cooking experience. Safety is a focus with features such as boil-dry protection and auto shutoff. Bella allows you to start steaming right away with their quick heating system, and they even include recipes and videos to kickstart your cooking. This steamer gives the customer convenience and safety all in one package. Number 3. Secura 1200-watt electric food steamer. Right away, you can see the beauty of this full stainless steel steamer. This product comes with 2 containers for cooking, along with a top lid and heat-resistant handles. A large LED display on the front offers many customizable options such as adjustable power level, a keep warm feature, and even a delay start up to 10 hours. For safety, boil-dry protection and auto shutoff are included. This hefty steamer comes with a 2-year warranty to guarantee its long-term use. Number 2. Cuisinart STM1000 Digital Glass Steamer. This 5-liter all-glass steamer is a fantastic option for those wishing for a powerful steam in only one container. What makes this steamer great is 1,875 watts of power that it cooks from the top down, so your food steams evenly and it's ready to eat in no time. The front LCD panel provides a start-stop button, a reheat button, and a mechanical steel knob to set the timer. There are 5 settings for popular food items: seafood, poultry, grains, vegetables, and manual. For the water, a sizable 1-liter water container is provided for non-stop cooking. The powerful nature of the steamer is where the value lies.
Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market.
Number 1. Breville BFS 800 BSS Steam Zone Food Steamer. This well-engineered product has 2 stainless steel cooking pots in a large stainless steel container, along with an intricate stainless steel base. The technology that drives the steam maximizes power in only 30 seconds, and one-level design of the Breville Steam Zone delivers an even steam throughout. For foods that require different times, the smart ability of the steamer syncs the 2 pots so they finish at the same time regardless of difference in temperatures. This pot gives the customer a new way to cook multiple types of food at the same time. The digital panel gives you the option to control each pot's temperature separate, along with the power and the ability to start or pause. The extraordinary design of the electric steamer is made to give the customer control without sacrificing convenience or safety. Today, electric steamers are booming as many are now realizing the health benefits steaming food gives. There are many different choices across the market, with each granting different features. Some power, some convenience, and some ease of use. Whether you're a beginner or a cooking pro, there is an electric steamer for you. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of these items. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion.